Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover and camera lens frame on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens frame by applying some heat. Next, place and secure the new camera lens frame on the back cover. Please note that there is an option to buy the camera lens with the back cover. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.